because I ate all your candy. And it was good.
Looking forward to eating it. You want to have wrappers to eat.
All you have is wrappers to eat. But you have braces, you don't need candy anyway. So you're just not going to talk to me forever?
You ate all the candy and we worked for it.
You worked for it?
Yeah.
I walked around just as much as you did. What do you mean you worked for it?
I had to walk up to the houses, so I had to walk more than you.
I don't think so. I took you. It costed me gas to take you. So you're going to go trick-or-treating next year?
No.
Why not?
Because you're going to kill her candy again.
You really, really mad?
Yes.
It's just candy. I didn't eat all your candy. It's a prank for the Jimmy Kimmel show.
What?
What? What do you have to say about that?
I'm never going to talk to you again.
Why? Do you want your candy back? Are you crying? Are you crying? Are you really crying? What do you say to Jimmy Kimmel? Did you really think I ate all your candy?